Honestly, I think the biggest thing is that we had a warning just like this about 45 minutes ago. It was allowed to expire, but then we did end up getting reports, or the National Weather Service really got reports from the ground, photos of a funnel cloud, and again, the concern of reports of a wall cloud as well. So that just shows that, it is a radar indicated tornado potential, but at the same time, you do have those indicators like a funnel cloud and a wall cloud, which are incredibly important when you are looking out for things like tornadoes. If we could jump over to Max 2, I would really appreciate that. I just want to show a couple things here. So we first of all are looking out for places like Howley, Jumbo, Clarksburg, and Parker's Crossroads. Let me give you those times. Howley, you've got until 6:35, Jumbo 6:39, 6:47 for Clarksburg, and 6:52 for Parker's Crossroads. You should be getting to your safe spaces right now because, again, this storm is strong. It's actually strengthening, and it is got the potential for a tornado here. It's part of a bigger line that we are watching. Now, we are looking at the potential for not just this line, but a couple more spotty storms later in the evening. That's very important to keep in mind because we do need to be weather aware today. So again, remember, if you are in those parts of Carroll County I just named, now's the time to go to a room with no windows. You want to get to the lowest level of your home, a basement, an interior bathroom. You want to stay, again, away from the windows. Protect your head and neck, and of course, download our app. You're going to get the latest updates. It's going to be very loud, and that's what you need right now. Storm impacts, we obviously are looking at for the tornado right now, which is why we're here on air with you. But we've also got the potential of some severe thunderstorms as well that don't necessarily produce tornadoes. We're talking about heavy rain, gusty winds. We've already heard some reports of small hail, and that's also possible. I do want to show you guys, though, for our western counties, you have that 2% risk, which is exactly what we're seeing right now with this line. So that's something we really want to be aware of as we move through the evening. So again, just stay safe, and you want to be weather aware. That's why we're here on air right now. Carroll County, I'm talking to you guys right now. This is where that tornado warning is looking like. We do have... All right, not looking at too many updates right now from the National Weather Service, but again, they are continuing this warning until 6:45 for Carroll and Henderson counties specifically. Danielle, how you doing over there?
All right, well, we are watching it carefully. If we can go back to Max 1, we're going to zoom down and just show you where the storm is again. And thank you so much, Christina, for all that information. Again, we are still going to be with you on the air, keeping you safe. If you live in this purple polygon, I can't stress it enough. You need to get down right now to the lowest level, a room with no windows, preferably a bathroom, a basement, and take your tornado precautions. This is a very serious storm. It already has a history of producing wall clouds, funnel clouds, which means it's very close to making a tornado, folks. And this is rotating, and it's a series of a line that is beginning to rotate. So there is still the threat for tornadoes and the threat for severe storms as we head deeper into this evening. So again, this is for Carroll County until 6:45. It's going towards Clarksburg as we can speak, and let me show you exactly where it's going to head and show you the rotation here. Now, the rotation on this one does look like it has weakened just a touch area. So folks, if you live along 70 south of Huntington and just west of Clarksburg, you need to take your tornado precautions right now. Again, this would be moving to the south and east. It will go over 22 if it continues to hold together. And again, this tornado warning is in effect until 6:45. I did put a storm tracker on it. It's a fresh, brand new one, and it will be near Tate. Well, it's already over you if you're in Tate. Clarksburg, you only have a couple of minutes, so you need to get down to your basement, to your lowest level right now. Holiday, you're going to see this at about 7:12, and then Lobelville, if this holds together for you folks, it'll be near you around 7:55. Only could see this too, so folks, this could continue to hold together, and this is an entire line of storms. I don't like this one over Henry County. I'm going to tell you why. Lightning is starting to jump up here. There's some deeper reds associated with this one too, and I've been watching this one on radar, and it looks like there is a little bit of rotation with this one too, folks, and this one would be moving from Henry into Benton County, northern Benton County, and then could be impacting Houston and Humphreys County, also Stewart County getting involved here. See what I mean here? Big Sandy. Big Sandy, you got to let me know. If you're living in Big Sandy right now, looks like there is some rotation over you. Maybe a little broad base, but it's definitely there. East of Paris, just north and west, really, of Big Sandy there. We're going to have to watch that storm too, Christina, just to let you know, because that one definitely has a little bit of rotation. This entire line could rotate at any moment, folks. So again, the tornado warning for Carroll County until 6:45, but I would anticipate we could have a couple more before the night is